seared Mako Shark, braised sweet peas, and French mashed potato. So buttery, so delicious, so exotic is the Mako Shark. You hear me? We gonna eat. Oh yeah, we starting off with making some French pomme puree or real buttery ass mashed potatoes. You hear me? These are Yukon Golds. Gonna peel these up and slice these real thin so they cook real even. All right, we got in this bag whole milk and butter. We're gonna cook these sous vide for approximately 45 minutes. With sous vide, you can't overcook. Whatever you cook is gonna stop at the temperature that you set it at. That's why I like sous vide. Now this food meal right here, your potatoes ain't got no choice but to be smooth. It's murking them things, you hear me? Now forget using that potato mash you used to use and it take all day. This right here is gonna knock it right on out for you. Now, French pomme puree is a pourable potato. Look how silky that is. And this is my delicious sweet pea broth, which I braise the frozen sweet peas in. It's killing grandma and them sweet peas. They can't even compete, you hear me? All right, we got the main attraction right here. We got the Mako Shark fillets. We're gonna season these with Kosher Salt and fresh cracked black pepper. We're gonna season these very heavily because they are so thick. We want them to be very seasoned. And when I baste them with the butter and herbs, it's gonna knock off some of the seasoning that I put on there. So I put a little extra on there to make sure that they are flavorful when they done. Hot pan. The pan got to be hot. See that smoke jumping up off there? If your pan ain't doing it, it's not hot enough. You got to have a sear on your food. And the only way to achieve that is a hot pan. And see, the first flip, you can use your hand to flip it over. Some people be running away from the grease like they gonna die. But the first flip, you can always use your hand. Now I'm throwing on some rosemary and thyme, some garlic, and a fat wad of butter. Now you need a fat wad. Turn that heat down some because butter can't take no hot heat. It's gonna be nasty. So cut it down like you see me doing. And take this spoon, take a big spoon, and dump that butter on there. Keep constantly dumping that butter on that fish. You want to get all up in the nooks and crannies. Adds a whole lot of flavor to your food. And after I get through basting this, I'm going to stick it in the oven at 400 degrees until I reach an internal temperature of 125, maybe 130. Oh yeah, see that? The thermometer is your best friend. Don't cook without no thermometer. Look at that. Gorgeous color. Done all the way through. That's what you want. Look at that. Look at that. Let me put this meal together for you. Nice white plate. I like white plates because you can see everything on the plate. Just make it pop. Got that French pomme puree. Now we got the Mako Shark filet. Then we're going to come with the sweet pea that beat grandmama and them. They can't even compete with these. Man, y'all need to taste these sweet peas, man. I'm trying to tell you, they kill it. Then we're gonna come with the chive. I had some chive I had chopped up, sprinkling them junks on there like some angel dust or something. Well, not no angel dust, some fairy dust. I'm sorry, I said the wrong thing. You heard me? All right, there we go. Yeah. Mako Shark, French pomme puree, and braised sweet peas. You heard me. That's what you want.